So, hello everybody, wherever you are. My name is Zhu Taozhuan, and I'm gonna start today's recording of my internship project. So, if you see this video, I'm welcoming you. Okay? So, what I'm gonna do now is to run some DB bench test. If you don't know what DB bench is, I think this for now might be a little bit hard for you to capture up. So DB bench is just a benchmark program of rocksdb. And what is rocksdb? Rocksdb is just a database engine. It's a key value database engine, and we can see from this website from the GitHub. Yep, this is the website of GitHub of rocksdb, and I'm gonna straight into my terminal and start today's coding. So this video is just for kind of a log of my experiments, because I feel like I am more dedicated to my coding when I'm talking. So this is why I do this recording. Okay, I hope if you are seeing this video, I hope you can learn something, maybe. So I'll SH into my notes, and cannot change. Why is all showing up this error? Window bash rc bash rc window bash rc. Session for you. I'll Google this. Okay, I'll Google this. What is wrong here? So it says that you have to edit lc equals system locale, and you have to edit equals was back in the days, but you're using a rolling release. So what I'm doing right now is just trying to remove this warning, because each time I run some program, this warning keeps showing up. Let's see. Your locales are created with locale gen and etc locale.gen. I'll give up for now. This does not matter. I think it will take some time. I don't have that time to deal with this warning. Does not matter for now. And I'll attach t billy tmax list sessions tmax attached /t0. Great. Rename /t to billy. Great. We do the rename of the current tmax. And now I don't know. Let's just run it, okay? I'll just run it and plot something. Let's start cd build, because I have already add IO trace function into the DB bench, so I guess I'll just do a run, do one time db bench. Oh, actually I just wrote this block cache trace running into this file. Bug. Okay. Test message. Right, this is it. Let's see. exec pass. So what this shell script do is it will first call the db bench to run a few sec benchmarks with db pass. So db pass is, you can see from line 4 that we already have a file path. So all the data base file will written under this folder or record directory. So, and then there are some other options to control how we write the data during this benchmark running. So let us walk through this options. We have a key size, prefix size, keys per prefix, value size. I think this is straightforward to understand, so I won't explain it. And let's see some other options. I haven't checked every option, so I will have to do this check for now, just for the explanation. The cache index and filter blocks. So I think this option is just enable this kind of blocks. And we have cache size. This is supposed to be the memory size they used to cache the data in rocksdb process. And we have also disable auto compactions, disable write head log. We have a minimal level to compress. So I think this just means that we don't do any compression. And we have a number of key value pair to insert. And then, so this is the first command. The intention of this command is just to write some data to our database, just to pump up, just so that we can have some data to read for the second command. And we can see from the second command that we actually invoke the db bench command another time, but this time we use this benchmarks called read random. And there's option to call use existing db. So this option is quite essential, or else if we don't specify this option, the db bench will remove the db path directory totally, and we will have nothing else to read. We can see, and then we have a --db equals db path. So yeah, the same db path directory we specify previous. And what is duration? I don't know what's duration. We have cache size. This is kind of straightforward. And and we have this block cache trace file. This is important, and we need to specify 2 more trace file paths, one for the trace analyzer and one for the IO parser, because the IO parser in rocksdb is pretty simple for now. It just only outputs each I/O access to the file system. So I think the information is quite limited for now, but this is what I can do for now, because what I want to do now is just to get some plot figures to try to gain some insight instead of just developing rocksdb, right? This is my target, my goal. So I think there's definitely some possible developments we can do for rocksdb. Maybe we could submit some PR. This is a possible way to do some open source contribution. And finally, the third command is to call this block cache trace analyzer tool command to actually parse the block, do this parse, right? To parse the trace file we have recorded at the second command, and we dump the output to this human readable trace file path. Okay. Yeah, this is straightforward. And after this kind of a walkthrough of the code and some explanation, I got more understanding to the logic here too. And this is the beauty of the learn, teach, apply triangle. I just teach whatever I learn and I apply this command to the terminal to see, oh, what's the output from the terminal. So this is some magic here. I just feel this power and I just follow this guidelines to help me advance my knowledge, to help me get better. I hope you can do this too. This is beneficial for everyone. And I think this is also another term called growth mindset in Microsoft, right? We just wanted to grow. We want to be better, right? Be better and better. And we can, right, have some happiness. Build. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna copy this shell file to our trace example, right? Trace example. So trace example. Ooh, okay, I'll just copy trace block cache bug task to trace example. 欢迎。Trace example. What kind of things? Trace examples. Insert. Trace bench trace run.sh. Okay. And now we have to trace example. Trace example. Trace run. Decision for you. Example trace run. So here we will stash I forget about what is the actual option name. So I need to do some check. Trace block hash trace path, block hash trace path, block hash trace path, trace file. I think this is it, right? This is the command. This is the command. Bench. Trace file equals let's see, 10 binary. I will make another directory. Trace dirt data dirt equals how about we just write it here, slash trace data dirt, right? And if not exist this trace data directory, then we will make this directory trace finish, and we have this file name, block trace file path equals trace data directory, and block cache trace file, block cache trace file, and we have push D. I don't know if this is good. I just try it. And the OP trace file path equals trace data directory. Oh, actually, this is a bad. No, I think this is good for now. The good thing of this kind of directory declare is that even if we're in execute this shell script in another position in another directory, we could still create this data directory and write the file there. So I think this is good for now. I won't change it. If I didn't talk like this, like the past, I would probably stuck it here wondering, oh, if this is a bad move or is this a good move. But since I'm talking to someone, I want to make the progress to make our goal as fast as possible, so I won't stuck at this unnecessary details for a long time. So I'll just do this feasible way, right? And call this OP trace file. Alright, this is good. IO trace file pass equals trace data IO trace file. Okay, let's wait. Change block trace file pass trace file equals OP trace file pass, and IO, alright, bench IO trace file should be this if I remember correctly. IO trace file path. Okay, everything looks great. Everything looks great. Oh, okay. I think this is good. We will write some of the, so then we will have 3 command, right? I want to start 3 process to do this parse at the same time so that we could get some speed up. But I also want to get the error output if some, the command failed. How can I do this? Is there a way to do this? I think the best way is not to redirect error output to some file. Instead, we just redirect the output to file, to normal file, just physical file, and the error message will still be sent to the standard output, just like it's just screen in this case. So let's do this. Trace, yeah. Trace analyzer has exec equals // build trace analyzer. Yes, this is it. And we have trace analyzer. What? Let's copy it. Copy it from the rocksdb. So the time I will be coding today is maybe 1 hour. I will code to 11:30 p.m. or maybe 12 p.m. because I want to get the output as quickly as possible. I feel some pressure from Zhuchao, so I think that I should spend more time. Right? Time doesn't mean that you could get the output as you want, but you're definitely gonna throw in some time, right? Time is super important. Let's check out a wiki. What is the wiki for now? The trace. That's the trace. All right. Two days ago. Let's see what this guy do. If compassion addition info the star level, return compassion service job. Compassion service. Use local. Oh, I see. So this is just like a distributed rocksdb, right? I want to see more commands. Fix the schedule. Fix code format. If the second and local test numbers less than minimum test numbers, monitor worker status map, best worker, schedule worker agent, IP port. Good job. Good job. I want to see more. New HDFS. You know, seeing this code just kind of feel a little peer pressure, right? I want to do some contribution, write more code like this too, you know. RPC config new HDFS file system. Oh, so this just returns a HDFS file system instance. And rocksdb deprecated function get approximate size. Column family handle. If options. Row logger. Why do you want to command this out? CMake list. Good job, right? I think he's doing a good job. Native Hadoop libraries required and according to labs. So I think what this code does is include paths, include Linux, include parent scope, JRE. Interesting. This directory contains shape extension needed to store the configuration assumes that packages are installed. Define the factory function that creates a given a string-based URI representing the URI environment. Just to talk to you on the line. If you want to compile rocksdb with HDFS support, please set accordingly. My dev server I have. This guy just write a good doc. I think she tells the dark reader, you know how to compile this code. Good job. I have to admit that. Hadoop is the directory resulting from entering run the command setup link under rocksdb get a clone. For rocksdb binaries, the plug can be enabled through text, stress, compression type, field random, and factory. Oh, good job, good job. rocksdb HFS file system, Kate class nickname. Good job, HDFS. What is this? And best.cc between Java and C++ enable calling C++ and methods from Java inside. Why do we want to call C++ code from Java inside? Copy standard string. Good job. I have to admit. KV rocks. Open. Whoa. Thrift. Hence, prefer, make, executable, remote server, target link, pouch, remote compassion service server skeleton. Why does he wants to use Thrift T binary protocol remote compassion server open and compat? Oh, good job. He did write a lot of code, right? Basic subcode stale file memory limit. Oh, just so many states. I'm impressed actually. I was impressed. And coordinator. Options. Submit tasks. Namespace. Good job. I gotta say. Task handler. Add tasks. Fixed naming style. Add compassion. Wow, he did so many commands at one time. I'm pretty impressed by his coding speed. Whoa. Let's see, right? When does he commit? Removing destroys. Address of config. Fallback. Fix the schedule. Good job. Actually, you did a good job. You know, I really feel some peer pressure here. No doubt about that. Let's continue our work. I feel motivated again. Okay? Let's do this. I want to achieve more, you know, when I see some peer pressures. Great. Trace analyzer slash analyze get to human readable output. I think we'll just copy all of the things here and delete this line. Wow, he's doing a good job. Where is that? Trace paths. Hey, where is the directory? Oh, see this. Okay, do we have some output fix? I think we're just doing this op trace res op trace and output directory we will set as trace data directory and trace path is op trace file path, right? And then we have this I feel like I am just not so motivated. No. But I just wanted to, you know, go to America and see something new. I think the best mindset for a PhD student is that you always want to explore, or also feels this kind of motivation to, you know, to do something new, exciting. You know, this unknown always makes you exciting about, you know, you can wonder about how you can solve this problem in some new ways, whether you can find a new good problem or whether you could come up with some new solutions. You can fix this problem pretty good. You can write your method down, submit it to a conference, and you get your feedback, definitely. So that's what I want to do now. I want to achieve more, right? Just to achieve more. To grow. Do not limit yourself. I still have some limit. Have this kind of a mindset that I'm limiting myself. I'm always wondering if I can do this, right? I have some self-doubt. And I notice this. I want to change. I want to be more confident, right? This is essential for the growth of myself. I can achieve more. So for how do I achieve more, there is definitely some kind of complexity here in software. You've got so many options, right? Every option can lead to some mistakes, but you gotta try. If you don't try, you get nothing out of it. You learn, teach, apply triangle. The apply step does not go. You will not make advancement. You will not step further. Okay? Print top K. Output K states. Okay, let's see if we have more options. Result key states, QPS states, value distribution, key distribution. Oh, we have this. Output time series. Time series. Lower states. Value interval. Output prefix, convert to human reader. Convert when? Let's achieve more. Analyze get convert to him. Okay. And finally we have this IO trace, right? IO trace parser cc equals build IO trace parser. And we have a IO trace parser. We got only one option. And what's the option? Let's find out. Showing a session for you, Drawings a test, I'm really, author to committed. What is this? 20 days ago. Tracer. Midpoint. Right implement. Authors committed. What is this? is the honor? For customers. I want to see what they contribute. Content honor. Oh, who is the honor here? Forks, commits, content, upgrade, team to make this public to enable. Alright, alright. No, he's fully using this concurrency of multiple people, right? Let's see. Who is doing this? No. No one's doing this. 5 days ago. Tracer. So then after this bench result runs completely, I will write some bash script to do some data processing, right? This is a fucking important skills to master as a researcher and computer science student, right? Once you know about this shell stuff, this command stuff, you have a better understanding why the computer is so powerful as a program, as a tool used by programmer. The apple I'm eating now is fucking good. I gotta say, the only downside of Microsoft is the salary is low. It's fucking low. But the culture is good. I gotta say, the culture is good. Good. The apple is good. I know. Okay. Let's continue our work. Oh, I need to stand up. Let's lift up my standing desk. And my monitor is broken, and the bomb does not set my package status as abnormal status. What the fuck? I want to check it again. Let's see. 回放。应该坑吧。Let's see. Okay. Start again. Oh my. I need a monitor. I need a monitor. Session, we got session for you. Let's see. So what is the command for this trace? IO tracer. The option name. What is the option name? Okay, IO trace file. See it. IO trace file. Is it correct? Right, it's correct. Then we have this IO trace file pass. Oh, we need to output this parser res equals tracer the ender trace res dog IO parser res. Okay, good. Trace. Okay. Do we need to clear this pass? Actually, I don't know. Okay, let's run it. Let's run this. You know, I'm always hesitant to run the program or the shell script that I wrote because I'm so afraid that it might get something wrong. There is some error in my code. But you know, this is just normal, right? Every program has some bug. There's no doubt that yours has some bug. So don't be afraid. You just run it. The quicker you run it, the quicker you get output, the quicker you can fix the problem, right? The worrying about this does not help at all. So for now, I'll just run it, okay? I will run it. Trace example. And let's check this. If we have this shell script can be run, bench trace run. Great. Let's wait for it. Oh, actually I forget. Let's just run a little bit. I don't want 10 million. This is too much. 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 million. Okay, great. Oh, let's wait for it. Oh, and actually, I should remove this. Delete this trace data directory each time we run this experiment. I think the default behavior of trace parser 2 now is that it will not delete the content in the file. It will just append the parser results to the existing file. Okay. Oh, I think I did not. 10, 100,000, 1,000,000, 10, 100,000, 10,000. Oh, this is too fucking slow, you know. Why is it so slow? Let's see. What does not change. What's going on here? What's happening? Man. Oh. I just want to do a quick test. Just 1 million keys should be enough. And this should be enough. Session we got session for you. Do we have some arrows? GB pass should be fucking slow. Tracing the workload too. Okay, great. Let's just wait. Just wait to see if we can session we got session for you. Let's wait. I want to get a plot tonight. It's 11:20 p.m. now. I think we still have some time to do the plot. Once we get the data, right? First we need to get data. We need to get the fucking data. Let's see. Oh, I think about one way we could shorten the time of this script is just that we put we put the last 3 commands into the background and we wait the finish of this exit of this 3 process and we capture the error outputs if there is any. How can we capture it? I don't know actually. Great. Let's see. This block hash analyzer is so fucking slow. Why is that? I think there's definitely some space to improve the speed of block cache analyzer. No doubt about that. I'll write down my thoughts now. Okay. PRs. Improve the block cache parser time. Yeah, now block cache trace debug. What is something wrong here? What's going on? Oh fuck. Color. Oh. Fuck. Line 42. Oh, shit. Line 42. What is going on wrong? You don't have this command. Why? Oh shit. IO trace file paths. Let's see. Oh. This is weird. IO trace file paths. Now, trace data directory. I think we should have trace file. Trace data directory IO trace file. Right, we do have, but why does it say that I don't have this file? Let's see. Let's check out more. Trace parser. Oh shit. Good. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is disable block cache. How am I gonna do that? I'm gonna add a script. I remember I write this, command line shell script will pass the input parameters, but I just forget about that. I think what I'm previous wrote is that the shell script will just parse scan each token. A token is just a continuous characters, right? The dash option is a token, and the value is just also a token. So he will read a word at a time and just compare it to some default options we have, and then decide if we can we know what the user wants out of our program, right? So, but for now, I think nope. I'll let the program do it, right? This is the geeky way. Let's do this. So let's Google it. Shell parse Arguments. How do I parse arguments in shell? Let's do this, okay? Extension. Okay, get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. While number of arguments is greater or equal to 0, we will do my hair is too long. I want to curl my hair, but I don't have money right now. This is sad, right? You know, as a programmer, I'm supposed to make a lot of money, but I'm just graduated, and this is my first month of my job, so I don't have the salary for now, and all I can do is just staying at this house and doing this project and coding and coding and coding. But it's okay. I think it's fun. I want to achieve more, and I can get the money I want. There's no doubt about that. Oh man, how am I gonna get my money? Good. Almond cluster. I like the straight. Good. Let's continue our coding. Do what? Case 1 in slash disable block cache parse. Disable block cache parse equals. Nope. I think I just block disable people or BCP equals 1, right? Okay, then we shift dun dun. We done. Case ESAC done. And I will add if main test exist file exist, and other things exist. I'll search for bash test variable empty. Oh, I could use a 0. Good. Disable BCP. Disable not empty. If empty, we will do this. We got session for you. Disable BCP. Great. Session, we got session for you. No. Wait multiple process. Open the text editor. Waiting bash. But it always give us a state that how can I modify so I will discover spawned. Oh, this is a good question. Takes the PID of the process to wait for, and with you get last command launch, modify the loop to store the PID of each, and then loop again, waiting on. Okay. Wait. Oh, actually, we need to start a prox. Good answer. The next one. What is the next one? I see how we can PID, right? I'll just run it. Oh, I need to remove the directory for now. Remove trace data. Let's run it. I'll just do a sanity test to prove that my script is correct, and then I will increase the number of keys to be inserted during the benchmark. And once all these things seems to work out, I can do a little bit speed up by using this way, you know, just waiting for multiple sub-process to exit, right? Once we start 3 process, we can definitely increase our time. And you know the words premature optimization is the root of all devil. So I won't do that for now. Just waste some time. I will bring extra times to get this speed up. Let's just wait, okay? Let's just wait. Let's just wait a little bit. This tread is so good. It is so good. But it's so hot. I don't know why. Why is it so hot? Why? Great job! Trace analyzer. Trace analyzer. Session, we got session for you. Oh man, this is so good. All decision based on Wow, I'm just checking this guy's Twitter, and he just sent some really tasty food pictures. You know, this char siu. Wow, this is so good, so tasty. Looks so fucking good. I want to eat that too. Nancy Pelosi. Oh, wow, this just takes too long for the block hash parser. It's just about 2 minutes. And it's just 1 million keys. This is too fucking long. Too fucking long, you know? 个十百千万十万百万 It's just a 1 million keys. And what is 70th is? Session, we got session for you. trace data. Oh shit. Trace data. We got session for you. We got session for you. Let's move. Shit. Oh, this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Session for you. Do, 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 do. Trace. There's still some error here. You know, I just added extra R to this exec pass, execution pass, but now all things is good. I think we can get some data. So let's see what's in our directory. Oh, we got lots of data. So the thing is, we will add a date process, we call trace date process doc shell. Continue. Oh, this is too hard. What is this called? This tree, the konjac. So hot. So fucking hot. I want to see something. I want to check the output. Let's see. IO trace. I think this is straightforward. We have time. We have a file name. What is this? And this is IO trace. And what is the OP trace? OP trace. We have a key. We have a. I don't know what the middle three number means. I think. I don't know. I really don't know. It's just seconds. What is this? Access count. Key states. Access key states. What is this? What is this? Unique key number change. Access value size distribution. No distribution. QPS states. I think this is this QPS states is output every 1 second. So we have 60. What is this? Time series. Get a 0 time series. 60 seconds. I think the 60 just means the seconds. What does the 0 mean? I don't know. And what is the third column mean? Is this called time? Just latency? What is this? Ooh. We'll go to 2,000 lines. 3,000 lines. Oh. See, so the second column is definitely the seconds passed from the start of the DB bench. And what is this? Oh man, I don't know. What is this? The middle 3 is always 30. This is no good for me. QPS states. Okay. And what about a block cache trace file? Where is the output of block cache trace? I didn't see that. Let's see. 0. Rebuild. Oh, shit. The output is here. We need to open it. Temp. Human readable block. Oh, I get it. What does this mean? What does this mean? What is the second column, the third column mean? What is the fourth, the default? I think this is just a column family. And what is this? I don't know. Oh man. Okay. So today's thing is, I think today's task is done. I run the DB bench. I can do the plot tomorrow. I think I will do it tomorrow at noon, around 12:45 p.m. tomorrow. I think I have devoted enough time for today's tasks. I have made a solid move today. So goodbye everyone. Goodbye.